In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT and Airtable. We'll be walking through the connection process from inside ChatGPT, so you can link your Airtable account and start using the integration smoothly. This is a quick setup, but it helps to know what each screen is doing so you can move through it confidently. To begin, go to ChatGPT in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main ChatGPT interface, look for the Apps section. This is where ChatGPT lists available app integrations that you can connect and use alongside your workspace. Click on Apps to open the app directory. From there, find Airtable in the list of available apps and select it. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the available options carefully. Opening the Airtable app page will bring you to the connection screen where ChatGPT handles the setup. On the Airtable app page, click on Connect. This starts the authorization flow that links your ChatGPT account with Airtable. In most cases, you'll be redirected to a sign-in and permission screen so both platforms can securely verify the connection. Next, click on Sign in with Airtable. At this point, Airtable will prompt you to log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct Airtable account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or belong to multiple teams. Choosing the right account here can save you from having to disconnect and repeat the process later. After signing in, you'll be shown a permissions page explaining what access ChatGPT is requesting. This is a normal part of the connection process and allows the integration to work with your Airtable data according to the approved permissions. Review the access details, and when you're ready, click Grant Access. Once you do that, the connection should complete automatically and return you to ChatGPT. At that point, Airtable will be connected and ready to use inside the ChatGPT apps environment. If the connection doesn't finish right away, give the page a few seconds to refresh. If needed, you can also reopen the Airtable app page in ChatGPT to confirm that the status now shows as connected. And if you ever need to change accounts later, you can usually disconnect the app and repeat the same process with the correct Airtable login. That's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Airtable, and you're ready to start using the integration.